every night 말도 없이 나가선 걸 tell me why 전화라도 받아.
Hi girlies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Irene. As we all know, this is World Cup season, aka jersey season, and as a girl who grew up with 3 brothers, I've always been into jerseys. I've had jerseys literally all my life, but I've only always worn them one way, and that is as they come. So basically what I have to do to make it look more feminine or girly is to tie it to the side or tie it at the back, which I think I'm over at this point. So in today's video, I'm going to be upcycling my old jersey into a very nice girly top that I could wear this season. So the plan was to thrift 5 jerseys and then upcycle all of them in one video, but in Bristol they don't really have jerseys in their charity shops, and the ones I saw were not giving charity shop prices, so I had to leave them behind. I went through shopping yesterday. I may have to include that clip, but if I go somewhere else to get jerseys, I may just not include that clip. But for now, yesterday was a fail. I got reminded that I have a jersey here. I have 2 jerseys here actually, and I'm going to be upcycling one of them today. Anyways, I'll still look out for more jerseys, but in the meantime, let's upcycle this baby. So I have about 5 ideas that I already drew out. Let me show you guys. I only drew 4 of them. I don't know if you can see, but I'm picking one design from the 5 options I have, the one that's going to match my fabric. As you can see, the letters are washing off, so I have this acrylic paint that I may use to paint those letters back so that they can pop. This is acrylic, which means it's not for fabric, which means I may be doomed. But there's always room for trial and error, so I'm going to be trying this anyway. Guys, my sewing machine is so useless. Apparently the only thing that thing can sew through is cotton. I'm trying to sew this jersey because the stretchy fabric is not working. I switched to zigzag stitch. It's not working. Even the zigzag is not even coming on the thing. Now I have to hand sew the whole thing. I hate this machine so much. Every single time I have to sew, I have to always stress with this sewing machine because the thing is not looping. I'm sewing well or something is happening. Or they'll say, oh, take out the thread and retread it. I'll do exactly that, and it's still not fucking working. And I cannot find my big needle that I used to sew everything by hand. Only tiny ones. Like, why? I was so happy today. Like, everything was going on so smoothly. Now I have... So this is where I'm at with the top, very baggy, so I plan to tighten it up, but when I do, it exposes my boobs down to my chest, and when you're looking at me, if you're looking at me close, you literally see a hole right here, and I do not want that. Also for this bit, I was really hoping it would be down here, but it's up here. If I have to move this, I'll have to cut this out, put it here, and put fabric there to cover it. I don't think I'm ready to do all of that stress. Nah, it can be right there, like it's okay in my eyes. Also, my machine is still not working. Doing all of this by hand. Give me my flowers.
Every night 말도 없이 나가선 걸 tell me why 전화라도 받아봐 어서
So this is the top. I finished hand sewing it last night and I changed my mind about using the acrylic paint to paint the Emirates written on it. What do you guys think? I actually really like it, but it's not my style because there's a lot of titties out. I don't really have this much titties out, to be honest. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The back. I think I should actually give this out to somebody who wants it. Somebody who this is more her style than mine. Instead of just keeping it in the house and not doing anything with it. But if nobody wants it, I may as well step outside my comfort zone one day and maybe try it out something. If you can see my chest like this, imagine how it was yesterday when I did not close this part. Like it was literally all open. Excuse you? Nah, not me. Yeah, but I think this is okay. But still very out of my comfort zone.